Hey yo, we back with another one. So let's jump right into it. Today, I figured I'd give y'all just a little POV, you feel me? So y'all can see what I see as I'm cutting. Now this person, I stress to them all the time, like, you don't want your grass to be cut low. Like her neighbors, they grass look good. They kind of shitting on them because their grass ain't short. You feel me? It's nice and thick and it's nice and you feel me? But anyway, so I try to let them know, like, you shouldn't want your grass to be cut that low. But they said this how they usually do it. This is how they like it. So I gotta do what they want. So boom, cut them all short. You feel me? Y'all get that point of view. My bad. I'm gonna get better with the point of view. Whatever it's called, so y'all can actually see better and stuff like that. But this is my first time doing it. I'm thinking about getting like a little one of them little cameras that I can put on my chest, or like strap this, find some way to put it on the front of my lawnmower or something like that, so that way y'all can actually see what I'm cutting, when I'm cutting, and how low I'm cutting, and all that type of stuff, so y'all can really get the real gist of what I'm doing, so y'all don't just think like, oh, he just running his lawnmower over it. Nah, I know it may not look like much, but I'm definitely cutting. I'm definitely cutting grass off the top of there. But I'm also being careful not to scalp the grass, because that's important. You don't want to scalp the grass. But by this grass already being used to being cut the way that it's used to being cut, it's alright. And it don't got too many. I don't really see any like dry spots or bad spots in the lawn. So yeah. But Toro, y'all need to get at me, man. Y'all need to get at me for real. I need some type of deal, something. At least throw me a string trimmer or something, or an edger or something. Come on, Toro, help a nigga out. Help a young brother out, man. Give a nigga a HBO special. Help a brother out special, please. Y'all know I'm too nice. I'm too nice. And y'all gonna see. The more I post, y'all gonna see. And I'm telling you, I be wearing y'all equipment out. I ain't gonna front. I love y'all mowers. I will do that. I will say that. But yeah, like I say, we imperfect, gang. Ain't nothing over here gonna be perfect, bro. The way we talk, the way we type, pictures that we take, ain't nothing gonna be perfect, bro. Cause we imperfect imperfections. If you part of this gang, you welcome, baby. Ain't nothing wrong with being an imperfect imperfection. See, we ain't always gonna say we were right. We ain't always gonna do everything right. We gonna mess up. We gonna get things wrong. But that's part of being imperfect. You gotta be able to be real with yourself and accept the flaws, so nobody else can use them against you. And it's just so many people being fake out here acting like they perfect in this world nowadays, and nobody perfect. Everybody mess up. Like I said in the last video, play it slip. But yeah, though, alright, so now we on the backyard. I'm trying to get y'all this good ass angle for real. It's not even all that good. It's okay. Could be a lot better. Somebody help me out by giving me a tripod or one of them things, whatever they call it. So boom, yeah, we getting through it. Boom, 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 easy peasy, lemon squeeze it. Then the goddamn camera falls. So you know what I gotta do? I said, forget it. It's time to give y'all some more POV. So, boom, we getting to it. As you can see, gotta make sure them lines is right. Yo, I don't think y'all understand how difficult it is to handle this lawnmower with one hand. Like, oh shit, I crashed, but that's because I'm, like I told you, I'm trying to handle it with one hand, so I crashed. But yeah, y'all see what I'm doing, man. Y'all see how I go. Look at this. Ooh, making sure them lines is right. You feel me? Bow, bow. Hit that line, yeah. And another thing you always gotta remember, when you're going over your lines, you want to go a little bit inside of the line, so that way you won't leave too deep of a wheel impression. What y'all gonna see at the end of it, it is wheel impressions a little bit, but they not as deep and as strong. So that way, in like a day, maybe a day or two later, all you just gonna see is the lines. There ain't gonna be no impressions. It's just gonna be the lines there. See, normally I would do like a double cut, But I already been here. I've been to this lawn. I cut this grass a couple times already, so it don't really need a double cut now because it's kind of getting used to me being there and cutting it. So I just said I'm gonna just give it a one over, and yeah, and call it a day. But if it's a yard that need a double cut, then I'll do the double cut. Y'all see, I'll give y'all an example of the double cut one of these days. Alright, the back of the yard, it was like it's a patch back there. Grass badly grew back there, but you know me, I gotta make sure. Damn, I crashed again. But don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. My insurance ain't gonna go up. But anyway. Yeah, a little patch back there. It ain't really grow too much grass, but it don't matter. You still gotta hit that. Make sure everything right. Make sure everything level, even. So eventually, when the dudes start to grow the grass back, everything will be growing back at the same height, the same levels, and everything. Bro, I don't think y'all would truly understand how difficult it is to make those turns and to stay straight with one hand. See, right here, it was no point for me even be rolling over that, but just because, like I say, when we wanted everything to grow back the same length, so we just gotta make sure we hit everything. We don't leave no grass blade uncut. Look at them lines. See what I mean? That's why I just left it as a single cut. It look good like that. See?